This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make frame glasses. First, the journey begins with meticulous design and material selection. Designers use advanced computer software to create precise three-dimensional models, ensuring a perfect fit and aesthetic appeal. Materials like cellulose acetate, titanium, or stainless steel are chosen for their durability and comfort. This initial stage is crucial for establishing the frame's overall structure and style, setting the foundation for the entire manufacturing process. Next, raw materials undergo preparation, often involving heating and molding for plastics or precise shaping for metals. Computer numerical control, or CNC, machines then cut the frame components with incredible accuracy, often to within 1/10 of a millimeter. This automated process ensures consistency and minimizes waste. Simultaneously, lenses are precisely measured and cut to perfectly match the frame's unique shape, preparing them for integration. After cutting, the individual frame components are meticulously assembled. Skilled artisans often hand-fit hinges, nose pads, and temple tips, ensuring every part aligns perfectly. The frames then undergo a series of finishing processes, including tumbling with abrasive media, hand polishing to a high sheen, and sometimes applying protective coatings. This stage enhances both the frame's appearance and its durability, preparing it for the final steps. Finally, every completed frame undergoes stringent quality control, checking for any imperfections or structural weaknesses. Once approved, the precisely cut lenses are carefully inserted into the frames, often requiring specialized tools to ensure a secure fit without stress. The last step involves making final adjustments to the frame, ensuring optimal comfort and perfect optical alignment for the future wearer. This meticulous process guarantees a high-quality product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.